Namaskar Svadi. Today I will present Dhamma 1 minute. What is Buddhism? Buddhism is the religion of the truth because the Lord Buddha attained enlightenment to see through the truth of life and the universe by insight meditation. The essence of Buddhism is freedom from suffering. Buddhism is a practical, logical, scientific, and broad-minded religion. It is not a religion based on blind faith, superstition, guilt, or fear. Buddhism encourages self-reliance and self-liberation through good deeds. And the most important things is although Buddhism is one of the world's oldest religions, its principles and teachings are still modern and practical in all situations. Buddhism is a religion of peace, harmony, and loving kindness. Any being that is born into this sacred universe is the result of something that has gone before of a preceding cause or viewed action which we call karma. So, what is Buddhism? That I present it by Dhamma 1 minute.